The Sephora's VIP sale just ended and I got some things. My package finally got here, so if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. Hey boo hey, congratulations on waking up this morning. If you're new here and you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name is Bernice and I make fashion content, vlogs, all the things. So I would really love for you to join the family and hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your Sephora haul, because we all know I'm gonna go back, so I like to get some inspiration from the girls. But without further ado, I got a whole new stuff, like products I haven't tried before that I've been wanting to try, and I replenished on one item. So I'm gonna start off and we're just gonna play this like it's like Jack in the Box, okay? Whatever our hand touches in the box, that's what we're gonna look at. So first item up is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I got the little one because I wanted to try it out first, see how my skin feels about it, and then go into that. But I'm really excited about this because I've heard nothing but great things about Charlotte Tilbury. I have their setting spray, but that's about it, I think, that I have from them, and I like their setting spray. So the girls are saying this is good for people with dry skin, and I have very dry skin. So oh wow, this is really small. Oh, okay, this is really small. This is really small, but this is what it looks like. I just freshly washed my face, so I'm gonna put it on to try it to see how it looks. So this is also a first impression, so I'm gonna try it on one side of my face. The other side, I got a different serum, so I'm going to try that on the other side of my face. But this is what it looks like. So this is product number 1. It's such a small bottle, like, y'all. Look at this. Ooh, okay. It's lightly fragrance. I don't know what the fragrance is, but it is lightly fragrance. But my skin isn't bad with fragrance things, so I think I should be fine. My skin definitely feels like more plump and nice. Ooh. Okay. I think I will go ahead. Like, it feels kind of tacky on the skin, but not like really bad. Hold on, I'm going to put more on different points of my face. So my forehead, lower part of my face. It has this little drop thing that's kind of curved, so I'm not quite sure how to navigate that just yet, but okay. So this is my face with it on. And then this is my face without anything, like no products besides what I washed my face with. That's it. So product, no product. I do notice a slight glow, like a slight, yeah, my face looks way more hydrated on this side. So yeah, we might have to get the big body one. We might have to go ahead and do that. So that's the first thing that I got. Next, ooh, okay, so I got the Milk lip and cheek blush type of thing. I got it in the color Swerve, and it's supposed to be like this orangish looking shade. Again, these products are so small in comparison to what the prices are, but anyway, child. Ooh, it's really pretty. So you're supposed to like, let me do this in the mirror. Is it showing up? Can y'all see? Can y'all see it? It is a very pretty orange. I think with makeup on it will show up a lot more, but this is really cute. I could see this being an everyday thing, like no makeup looks. Like you just want your skin and like a little bit of blush, this would do it. But you're gonna have to apply a lot because it's not showing up that much. So it's like you're gonna have to constantly like apply. Okay, in the sun I can see a little bit more. Yeah, I wish it was a little bit brighter, I guess, so that I can show up a little bit more, but I don't hate it. I'm not gonna return it. I think I'm gonna try it on with makeup first and see how I feel about it even more. So next, oh yes, the glow recipe. This was viral on TikTok for forever. Everyone just kept talking about it and I've been wanting to try it. So I got the medium size one, the 1.35 ounce. This is what it looks like at the bottle. I was really big on getting skincare stuff because I love skincare stuff and I just wanted some new skincare products, especially serums. I'm obsessed with serums. So okay, off of initial reaction, it feels like it sits over your skin in comparison to the Charlotte Tilbury that feels like it's like seeping into your skin, but this feels like it sits on top of your skin. It smells really good. It definitely smells like watermelons. So if fragrance isn't your thing or your skin breaks out easily, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you're fine with fragrance like me, then yeah, this is a go. Oh, okay, it's starting to seep into my skin now. Oh, my skin feels so nice. Oh, the girls were right. The girls were, look at my skin. My skin feels so good. Oh baby, I'm gonna have to go get the big body. I have to get the big body. What? My skin feels delicious. Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10. Do y'all see this hydration? Do y'all see this glow? Yeah. Oh, I'm sparkling. Yeah, go get her. All right, now let's see what next. I'm just gonna show y'all what I got to replenish. So for my cleanser, I use the Used to the People green tea spinach superfood cleanser. I'm almost low on the bigger one that I have, so I bought this to be able to refill it. I really love this cleanser. If you have like dry skin, normal sensitive skin, all of that, this cleanser is perfect for you. If you want to try it out, I would definitely say try out the smaller size first, and this was I think $14, so you can try out this small size first. But this 10 out of 10 recommend. Love this cleanser. Love it. Okay. Oh, okay, so I've been wanting a brow gel because I don't do my brows, like I don't draw them in or anything because I have really like full brows, but I did want something that would sculpt it, and I remember this being like the craze for the longest. So I got the Benefit brow gel, and I got the mini one to see how I like it first. And let's see. Yeah, see, I just want something that will tame it and keep it stuck. So it looks like I did my brows, but I really didn't. All I did was like gel it down. You see what I mean? Yeah. Ah, this was such a good buy. I like everything so far. Oh yeah. Ooh, hold on, let me do it to both brows. Yeah. Oh yeah, babes. This is gonna eat. I'm gonna get a bigger version. I'm so glad I got the minis of everything so I can know if I need to get bigger versions, and now that I do know that, big versions are coming. Okay, I'm running crunch down time because I have to leave soon, but I also got the Olin Hendrix banana bright eye cream. I got the mini one to try because I also heard great things about this brand and this product, and I need under eye cream because my under eyes are so dry, especially when I wear makeup. This is tiny as heck. Do y'all see this? 100 points for this? That's crazy. But let's try it out. Oh, now they're already coming apart, babes. All right, let's put it under our eye. I'm about to like leave and I'm trying all these new products. Clearly I live my life on the edge, because imagine if like I had a reaction. Oh my goodness, that'd be scary. All right. Ooh. I know you're supposed to like pat it under your eye, but like I'm more of a swiper, so this is really nice. Under my eye looks hydrated. It feels like conditioned. It feels really good. Okay, all hits, no misses so far. Okay. Oh, okay, that's all the ones I bought. These ones are freebies. So I got the Giorgio Armani Ude Perfume Aqua, whatever this is called. I was about to butcher that. So let's smell this fragrance. I didn't even read the description for it. I was just like, oh, free product. Give it to me. Oh, wait, hold on. Armani usually doesn't miss. I love this. Wait, it's like a citrusy. This is definitely something you wear on like on a trip, like tropical. Oh, I love that. Yeah, we need a big body. We need a big body. I absolutely love this. It smells so good. I'm normally a gourmand girl, but this is like citrusy fresh, and I actually like it. I usually don't like fresh scents, but this, yeah, this is gonna have to see me. This is gonna have to see me. And then this other one is the Commodity Milk. The scent space is expressive. So let's try this one out. If it'll open. It's like a musky coconut. But this is nice. Yeah, I'm hitting Rouge for 2024. Because the way I'm about to buy all these products in like their normal sizes, I'm hitting Rouge in the, yeah. Yeah. Go get it. Go get it. Go. If you're a gourmand girl, you will love that. Yes. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Day 8. Day 8 and left no crumbs. That, right? I wouldn't mind smelling like that all day. I really wouldn't. It smells so good. I need the bigger version. Like, I need a bigger version of that. I need that in rotation. Like, that was so good. But yeah, y'all, that's all I got from the Sephora sale. If you guys want me to, I'll link the product stuff down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, go ahead and join the family. All right, love you guys.